हेलो पीपल, दिस इज़ अभय शुक्ला एंड यू आर वाचिंग एडुवर्ड। आज हम एक बुक जिसका नाम है द स्पुतनिक स्वीट हार्ट, जिसे हारुकी मुराकामी ने लिखा है, आज उसका रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं। हारुकी मुराकामी एक जापानीज ऑथर है एंड ही हैज़ बीन राइटिंग फॉर लास्ट 20 ईयर्स अराउंड, और मोर देन 20 ईयर्स। और ये जो बुक है स्पुतनिक स्वीट हार्ट, ये एक नावल है और इसका पब्लिकेशन अराउंड 2000 में किया गया था। ये जो नावल है इसमें कुछ मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैं। मेन कैरेक्टर्स इन द सेंस दे आर 3 मेन कैरेक्टर्स एंड द स्टोरी रन्स अराउंड ऑल दीज 3 कैरेक्टर्स। फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर एंड द नरेटर ऑफ दिस स्टोरी इज के. Second character is main character that we can say, or the story is being centered about the character is called Sumire, and the third character is Mew. Okay. In this novel, what we see that Sumire is being struggling to become a writer, or a creative writer. Actually, she wants to become during her school days and all. But the thing was, she was completely out of this world. She was feeling like that she is not from this world, and what happens that she is going somewhere away from this very world. Okay. So what happens, she get a raise of hope as she meets one of her friends, or we can say classmate, the narrator of the story, whose name is K. Okay. uh, Haruki Murakami often keeps this kind of names, K, L, M, blah blah blah. He keeps these alphabetical names. We can assume that he just wants to correlate such kind of names that we cannot just associate ourselves with them with personally. It means he wants to create such characters which are universally. So talking about this novel, here the main character called Sumire, as I have already told, she is not actually well versed with her condition, and in this particular life she was not fitting somewhere in the this particular life. So what happened, after completion of her college, she left her home. She went somewhere and she wanted to enjoy her life. She wanted to create herself, create her personality, or create her own life where she wanted to become. So what happened, she went somewhere and she found a Korean girl. Okay. Actually, she found a Korean girl called Mew. Mew was a businesswoman and she had actually a business of import and export. What happens when she meets Mew, Sumire, so that time she found that she is the perfect person whom she wanted to meet for the last so many years, and now she was feeling like that she is complete within. But the thing was, she could not express her ways to Mew, because Mew was a kind of a lady who was already married and wanted a kind of serenity and kind of uh, what to say, a kind of happiness in her life. But the thing was, she was married even though she was not happy with her married life, and so she was cut off from her family and luck. But the thing is, as well, as soon as Sumire found Mew, and she just wanted to have a relationship with her, because she was a sort of lesbian. And the thing was, one day when she expressed her desire to that particular lady Mew, she was stuck off. She was म्यू शी डिड नॉट एक्सेप्ट हर, बिकॉज म्यू जो है, म्यू बिल्कुल ही अलग टाइप की लेडी है। वो अपने आप को बहुत ही अलग रखना चाहती है, वो एक कॉमन लेडी है। बट द प्रॉब्लम वॉज विद सुमीरे ओनली, बिकॉज शी वॉन्टेड टू हैव अ रिलेशनशिप विद अ गर्ल एंड इट वॉज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड इन दोट पर्टिकुलर नॉर्म्स। तो इसके बाद एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ कि जब म्यू को सुमेरे से अलग होना पड़ा, इस सदमे को सुमेरे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाई. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड, शी लेफ्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. एंड एज वी सी इन द नॉवल, we never know where she has gone. As soon as K, who was her best friend, he came to know about the condition where she was. Okay, she was both of them, Sumire and Mew, were on the some island, and as soon as he came to know about that particular incident, he came there on that particular island, and he heard about her disappearing. And as soon as you know that she is disappeared, he was, completed out of this the world. So he just thought what could happen with her. So like that. Okay, so I'm not going to completely give the review of this particular novel, but I just want you to read this novel, because if I tell you the story of this, you will see that this is a very simple story and you're just not going to read it. So I want you to read it because it's very normal, it's very normal language, because it is being translated in English from Japanese, and I think that you will read this novel. And if after reading this, just let me know what are the things you liked in this particular novel, and and what should be the things which should be improved in this particular novel. And we cannot question this particular text, because this is a text written by a renowned writer, Japanese author Haruki Murakami. And I have read so many works written by him, as 1Q84, okay, The Birthday Girl, many more, and Kafka on the Shore. Okay, but what I found in his stories, you will actually face the real life in his books. So actually I recommend you to read it, because if I tell you the story, you are not going to satisfy yourself. So I think you must read it. And notice one more thing, the title of this novel, why it is named as Sputnik Sweetheart. It has a historical background related to Russia. And this very word Sputnik, sweetheart. Sweetheart, here you can say, as we can see this Sputnik sweetheart, as you can see here, the title belongs to Russia, and this very particular satellite was launched on Russia by Russia. And what happened, this satellite never came back. Okay, and after getting this particular incident, Haruki Murakami thought of naming this very text called Sputnik Sweetheart. I think you like this information. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.